can you spot this type of roads and buildings at your home? DM me for feng shui remedies and consultation how to balance these sharp, fast-moving, or trapping energies coming outside your home that can affect you and your family's health, wealth, and fortune. First one is the T-junctions. Roads that point directly at a home are thought to create a poison arrow effect, where fast-moving energy, known as Achi, directly impacts the residents, potentially causing stress or misfortune. The severity is believed to depend on the direction of the traffic. Next one is the reverse bow. A road that curves away from a home, resembling a bow, can put pressure on the house, potentially leading to a feeling of being weighed down. However, if the house is on the inside of the curve, it is believed to bring good fortune, as it can gather and contain positive energy. Next is the skyways. Living under a skyway or overpass is considered a source of negative energy. Due to the constant fast-moving traffic overhead, this is thought to cause issues such as headaches and arguments for the residents. The tall buildings. A tall building directly in front of a home is believed to block the dragon's cosmic breath, which is a form of positive energy that brings harmony and good fortune. Next is the sky sword. This refers to the space between the two buildings that is aligned with a home or business. It is said to create cutting energy that can negatively affect a person's fortune, especially in their business. Last one is the sandwich energy. When a home is located between two larger buildings or houses, the resident is said to be sandwiched. This is believed to suppress the energy of the smaller home, leading to a loss of authority and a decline in success. Like, follow Feng Shui Universe for more Feng Shui tips.